Hi guys, welcome to Buy TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Alan. In today's video, I will show you how to power on and off some mirror and also how to use the emergency stop. Okay, after you set up the mirror, you just need to directly connect the power with the cable. First, you need to find the power location and the switch behind the machine. Before that, many friends will ask us what's the voltage of the buy machine. So here I also need to explain to you. All of the buy machine will support 110 volt to 230 volt. So that means no matter you are from North America, Europe, or other regions, you can directly use the machine when you receive the machine. Okay, now let's do it. Connect the machine with the power cord. And then you just plug the cable with the plug strip. Here I want to remind you that buy machine has already come with a plug that meet with your local standard, such as US plug, UK plug, European plug, Africa plug. So you do not worry that. Now just plug the power cord into the power strip. And then flip the switch. The machine now was powered on. You will find a small red dot behind the machine controller. That is the emergency stop button. The function of this button is to stop the machine directly when you encounter an emergency, just like this. Then machine stopped. And the release way is also easy. You just need to press it and then rotate it with clockwise way. Then machine will restart. If you have finished today's work, you can directly switch off the machine here. Alright, that's the tips on how to power on and off the mirror. If you like our Buy TV channel, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.